Question, the member for Timmins-James Bay.
My question is to the Premier. The Premier is aware that she has the authority to appoint or revoke any appointment to a board or commission with the stroke of a pen. Given the appointments are done at the Premier's discretion, when will you file the paperwork to remove Gerry Lougheed from the Police Services Boards of Sudbury?
Premier.
Minister of Community Safety, Correctional Services.
Minister of Community Safety.
Thank you very much, Speaker. And I will repeat what I've said at numerous occasions in this House, and the member opposite, I am sure, knows about this process as well. That the Police Services Board are responsible for local policing. They have both municipal and provincial appointees. The members of the boards are the ones who elect a chair. And they're all within the scope of a code of conduct, Speaker.
The member from
and it's
Lanark,
up to them to determine if they suspect a breach of the code of conduct. Then we have an independent body, the Ontario Civilian Police Commission, to make a determination whether a breach of code of conduct has taken place. It is not up to the government, Speaker, to make that determination. My understanding is, and I'm sure the member opposite knows, that the Sudbury Police Services Board has reached out to OCPC.
Thank you. Supplementary.
Well, the Premier would also, and again to the Premier would know that she has the authority on the Legislative Act 2006, Section 76, that says they serve at your pleasure. Premier, I think we both agree that those appointed to public boards and commissions should meet a standard of integrity. Clearly, Gerry Lougheed's integrity is in question. Premier, by not using your power to remove Mr. Lougheed from the Police Services Board, are you saying integrity does not matter to public appointees?
Minister.
Thank you very much, Speaker. That's what, Speaker. The work of Police Services Board is extremely important. And the Police Services Board, Speaker, are created pursuant to the Police Services Act. They've been given some very specific responsibility under the Police Services Act to ensure that there is adequate and effective policing within their jurisdiction. That's why, Speaker, their work is so important that we have a separate code of conduct that is enacted through regulation to ensure that their proper conduct is met. On top of that, Speaker, to ensure that the code of conduct is always abided by, we have a separate independent body called the Ontario Civilian Police Commission to oversee Police Services Board. So you can see, Speaker, that we have taken several steps to make sure that the process is always arm's length from the government, that the local communities are in charge when it comes to local policing. And as we know, in this particular case, the Police Services Board has referred the matter to OCPC.
Thank you.